Welcome fellas into this new video of TechSpress. Let's talk a little more about the NotebookLM. If you're still copy-pasting long documents with the standard AI chatbots and asking them for summaries, you are doing all wrong. So standard chatbots get distracted, leaks your data, and hallucinate details when files get too long. So this is Google NotebookLM. Basically, it protects and it's not used to train unless you provide feedback. So it builds a digital fortress around the exact sources you fit in, whether that's textbooks, corporate earnings reports, audio files, YouTube links, and answer questions within the zero flood and flawless inline citations. So Google just rolled out a massive layer URL introducing the interactive AI podcasting. So let's get started with the setup, the workspaces. If you head over for the notebooklm.google.com and logged in with any Google account, it's completely free to start. Click into the element that says here, create my new notebook. And basically to create your workspace, the pro tip is you can organize your notebooks by project, not by document type. So you can look at the left hand column. This is your source panel. You can just click into the element that says add the source. So this is the source panel. The notebook supports almost any format you throw at it. You can sync native files directly from Google Drive, upload large PDFs, paste public YouTube links, or even drop an entire ePublic ebook. So go for example, drop your files, for example, like a website, and you can just go ahead and enter, for example, like a YouTube channel that you currently have. Let's say, for example, this one. You can go for the element that says insert. So basically what's going to happen here is that the notebook is going to be understanding basically what you're actually be sending them, and it's going to be understanding what this actual link is about. So here, by offering blah blah blah, the source implementation, story visual, how Canva can be used, blah 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 blah. So each single source can hold up to 500,000 words that you can mix and match formats freely. Notebook instantly reads, indexes, and cross-references all into the simultaneously, creating a decentralized knowledge graphic. So to master the 3-column chart and citations, you're going to take a look at the workspace. NotebookLM features a clean 3-column layout. Sources sit into your left section. Your active chat is in front, into the center, they might be saying, and your creation studio lives into the right section. So you can test the actual chat. When prompting Notebook, be incredibly specific because it searches the spaces restricting simplicity to your files, and you can ask for explicit data extraction, structural comparison, or direct pattern analysis across multiple documents. So let's say, for example, ask what professional video editing technique are available for beginners directly here into Canva. And for beginners looking to achieve professional results, here's the advanced tier for everyone: AI powered content creation, photo animation, social media optimization, and basic fundamentals. So here, the real superpower of the notebook into the citations. When you click this number into the answer, for example, that appears directly inside here, the left panel instantly jumps to the exact document and highlight the literally paragraph the AI used to build that response. No more second guessing the actual output. Into the left section, for example, you can see the audio overview of what we're actually checking out directly inside here. There's the video overview, and there's the reports, there's a flashcard, there's a mind map that you can generate, and now there's a slide deck that can help you to get started. So exploring the right hand columns, I just told you, we have the studio panel, where the audio overviews, with one click, the NotebookLM generates a highly engaging 2-host AI podcasting, diving deep into your files. So nowadays includes the interactive mode. If you're listening to the host break down your data, want more context on any specific detail, just click, for example, into join. You can interrupt the host, type the question, and then it will pause, addresses your question using the source, and naturally loop back into the conversation. So if you wanted to turn the document into a full presentation, you can click slide deck into the studio panel, and it will build out clean structured presentation complete with the visuals based entirely into the uploaded source information. You can edit slides, you can directly inside the platform, or the export them into as a raw PowerPoint, or load Google Slides or Canva for final branding design. So the studio panel also includes one-click generation for mind maps, tailored with one executed reports, study quizzes, and style for infographics, and even fully animated cinematic video overviews to help visualize and increase research narratives on the fly. So let's say that I select, for example, like an actual report. So you can generate an actual briefed document or a study guide to get started with the report based into only one specific source. And you can even get the infographic much more faster, and that info directly appearing inside there. So best of all, the Notebook LM is built with strict enterprise-grade data privacy. Google does not train its public. The AI models on your upload files, meaning your property research, financial books, and personal notes stay completely private to you. So I have linked, of course, for example, the Notebook LM along with a cheat sheet of my favorite research prompts in the description down below. So if you wanted to drop a comment, guys, down below here, so you can talk a little bit more about the notebook, you can let us know there into the comments below. If you have any questions, your coach, you can let us know back then. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember that there's a lot of things to cover directly here into the Notebook LM. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all this being said, well, we can all see you all next time.